Screw. Noun. A device that has a helical function. Screw. Noun. An amphipod crustacean. The skeleton screw Caprella, the sand screw. Screw. Verb. To connect or assemble pieces using a screw. Screw. Verb. To apply pressure on, to put the screws on. Screw. Verb. To practice extortion upon, to oppress by unreasonable or extortionate exactions. Screw. Verb. To contort. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.